Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Nola Viva, and I do videos on natural hair as well as pop-in fashion and some lifestyle videos here and there. So make sure you guys subscribe. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a brand called Kinky Fro Botanicals. I was sent their shampoo bar as well as their avocado pulp hair mask. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience with using these products. So I'm going to be starting out with hair that has been rinsed from some curling custard. So here is the shampoo bar, and all I do is literally just rub it directly on my scalp here, and look at that. Do y'all see how that just lathered up? Like, wow. The lather on this is something amazing. It's something to tell the whole city about because it lathers up really, really well. I was quite shocked at that. And what I like to do is go in with a silicone scrubber and scrub my scalp to really get it clean. But here I'm going to show you guys that you also rub it directly on your hair, and it also creates a great lather so that you can really just cleanse your hair. You cleanse the ends of it. Like me, I had that curling custard in there. So one side I was testing out to just go ahead and shampoo like the whole entire, all of my hair. The other side I'm going to be shampooing just my roots, my scalp. But yeah, guys, this stuff lathers up like a dream. I love that about this. And it's just very, very, like, it felt very moisturizing, felt very, very good when I was using it, and it was easy to detangle my hair. As you can see how I just pulled it apart. It wasn't ripping or anything like that. Normally I have to be very, very gentle, but it's really great for detangling my hair as well. So let me tell you guys some of the stuff that's in this. So the key player ingredients in this is chamomile, which soothes the scalp. So I really love this for my scalp. My hair's super thick, so it's hard to get directly on my scalp sometimes with just all shampoos, not just this, but all shampoos. So this is wonderful for just rubbing directly on my scalp and lathering up and really getting it clean. It has hibiscus and vitamin C, which is high in vitamin C, for strengthening and combating hair loss. And I also was showing you guys the bar. It's easy to hold. It doesn't slip out of my hands. It doesn't start getting all messy and stuff like that. It's just really, really great to hold, and it's good for traveling with too. And you can leave, like, this is like my second time actually using it in this video, so it still was looking great and intact. So I just left it out. I think I put it in a Ziploc bag. And it was still, like I said, intact. So here I'm just rinsing this out. And I will share with you guys some more details, because as I rinsed this out, it did feel a little stripped. So I'm going to share with you guys a little bit more details on that later. But what I wanted to share with you now is that you want to go ahead and create your avocado mask. So look at that. Doesn't that look so good? Looks so yummy and healthy just for my hair. Avocados are just amazing for hair. They have vitamin B6. They have a few different things. Let me just double check here. It's vitamin A, B6, D, and E, full of protein, amino acids, folic acid, magnesium, iron, copper. They're very moisturizing, good for giving your hair some natural shine. And it comes with this awesome little booklet that shows you different ways of making your avocado mask. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the avocado mask actually I end up using 4 because my hair is thick, so I wanted to have enough for it. And look at that, y'all. Look at that. Doesn't it look so yummy, like some baby food or something? So I wanted to show you guys why I like to lather up all of my hair and detangle it, because as you can see, I kind of still have some custard in my hair, so I can't really just wash my roots and let the shampoo slide down and cleanse it. That doesn't work for me, but some naturals it does. So if it does, keep doing what works for you guys. But this is why I wash my hair like this. But I wanted to share with you some more things that are in this. This has moringa, which is high in vitamin C and E, that helps promote blood circulation and hair growth. Also olive oil, almond oil, cocoa butter for moisturizing, castor oil for the creaminess and also hair growth, coconut oil. This is what helps with the cleansing of it. This is what made my hair feel stripped. I talked with the owner. She's so sweet, and we think that it's the coconut oil, the amount of coconut oil in it. But it also does have eucalyptus and peppermint oil, which is good for your scalp and helping dandruff, which I didn't get any dandruff when using this, so that was awesome. But she is going to be creating another bar that's going to be good for like people like me who don't necessarily like the strip filling, but I'm going to go ahead and add some of the avocado mask and do it the right way by putting it in my hands and putting it directly on my hair so that I can go ahead and get that softness and that moisture back into my hair. It also does smell like avocados and just like healthiness, green, greenery, vegetables. So if you're into that, you will love that. My husband loves this smell because he's into avocados, but I'm like more of a fruity scent type of girl, but it is very healthy for your hair. It's made with real avocados, not fake avocados or just avocado oil. It's freeze-dried avocados in a convenient form, powder form, so that you can just use it whenever you pretty much need to use it for however long that it's good for. So that was very awesome. So I'm putting this on as much of my hair as I can. You don't need to have it completely drenched and like you don't need to see every inch of your hair covered with green to use this. So I really like that. I just went ahead and just twisted up my hair and then twisted it into little balls so I could work with all the other sections. And I was able to get through 3 sections with the 4 tablespoons of the avocado mask. I would recommend doing 6 if you have my length and thickness of hair, and I would say that it would last, the whole packet thing would probably last you at least 3 times. So I'm going to, if you use 6, so I'm going 6 tablespoons. So I'm going to go ahead and add my deep conditioning mask. I left this on for about an hour. And then I went ahead and rinsed it out with some lukewarm water, and my hair was feeling so good. Oh my God, it felt so soft when I was unraveling the twist. It felt so good. I can tell that my hair definitely got that deep moisture that it was craving for after the shampoo. And as you can see, it looks pretty nice. It's clean, it's juicy, it's flowing. I do think that the shampoo and this avocado mask helped my hair to feel like thicker. I'm not saying it made my hair thicker, but it did make it feel a lot more thicker and fuller. So that's a plus. Like if you're looking for volume, like you want something to give you volume, this is definitely some products that will do that. And my curls were there. They were defined for the most part. So I was really feeling the avocado mask and the shampoo for giving me the volume and really deep cleansing my hair. And I was able to also separate my hair easily, as you can see. And even my puff, like I said, guys, it made my puff more like thicker and fuller. So this is really great for adding volume. So here is the bar. Just wanted to show you guys the bar after it was all said and done. It is still intact. Here's my hair. Nice, healthy, and clean and moisturized from the avocado mask. And here it is the next day. I wanted to let it completely dry. I didn't add anything after this whole process of the shampoo and avocado mask because I wanted to see how it would be the next day. So if it looks dry to you, that's because I need to re-dye my hair black. But I wanted to try to show you as much as I can that there is like a nice natural shine to my hair. That is from the avocado mask. That is something that avocado do. They give you a nice shine to your hair as well as lock in moisture. The avocado oil too, there is avocado oil that is sealing, that is like a sealant around my hair as well. So I touched my hair so that I can show you guys that it is some shine there. I know it might look a little dry to you guys, but due to the lighting and me needing to re-dye my hair black, but it felt very soft. It was shiny. It was easy to detangle and work with. So as you can see, look at my hands. I want to show y'all, look at my hands. There is shine there. So that was coming straight from just me touching my hair. So I'm definitely loving this avocado mask. I will definitely continue to use this with some honey and different things to make it even more moisturizing. And as far as the shampoo bar, I like the shampoo bar. I love the shampoo bar for the lather and the ease of using it. But I don't really like the strip filling of the specific one. So I can't wait for the new one that she makes that may have babassu oil instead of coconut oil. That can be very drying for my hair. But if you guys are interested in these products, check below. There's a discount for you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.